stare at a spreadsheet at 2 in the morning and realize the math just isn't mathing. You sold 100 units, but your bank account barely moved. This is the reality of the dropshipping grind when you don't account for the middleman. We are looking at BigBuy through a very specific lens for this year. They are the European titan in this space. They offer a catalog that feels endless. You can find everything from kitchen gadgets to fitness gear. It sounds like a dream for someone who wants to test 5 different niches in a single weekend. But here is the cold truth. A massive catalog is a trap if you aren't careful. Every single item comes with a cost footprint. You have the base price of the product. Then you add the subscription fee for the platform itself. Then you tack on the marketplace fees. Don't forget the taxes. In Europe, those VAT numbers will bite you if you ignore them. By the time you get to the bottom of the page, your 20% margin has evaporated into thin air. You are essentially working for free to move their inventory. That is the danger of the BigBuy model if you go in blind. On the flip side, their infrastructure is actually impressive. They aren't some fly-by-night operation. They have real warehouses. They have systems that sync directly with your store. If you use the popular e-commerce platforms, the technical setup is manageable. It still requires some brain power. You can't just click a button and retire. You have to map your inventory and make sure your prices update in real time. If a product sells out in Spain and your shop in Germany still says it is in stock, you have a major customer service nightmare on your hands. This is where their automation tools actually earn their keep. They handle the heavy lifting of fulfillment so you don't have to touch a box. For a seller focused on the European market, this is a huge logistical win. Shipping across borders within the continent is much faster than waiting for a cargo ship from halfway across the globe. Customers today want their stuff now. They won't wait 3 weeks for a spatula. BigBuy solves that speed problem. But speed isn't free. Shipping costs vary wildly depending on where that package is going. You have to calculate the economics of every single region you target. If you are a beginner with a tiny budget, these costs might be a wall you can't climb yet. The monthly fees alone can eat your startup capital before you even run your first ad. It is a legitimate tool for a professional business. It is not a magic wand for a get-rich-quick scheme. You need a strategy for your pricing. You need to know exactly who you are selling to. If you are just another person selling the same massage gun as 10,000 other people, you will lose. The competition on these platforms is fierce. You have to find the items that others are overlooking. You have to build a brand around the products. Only then does the convenience of a giant supplier actually pay off. It comes down to the numbers on your screen. Do the math before you hand over your credit card. Look at the return policy. Check the shipping times for specific countries like Italy or France. If those details don't align with your customer promise, the business will fail. BigBuy offers the bricks, but you still have to build the house. You have to be the architect of your own profit. If you just lean on their catalog without a plan, you are just a salesperson for someone else's company. Take the time to analyze the market trends for this specific year. See what people are actually buying in the regions you serve. Don't just pick products because they look cool. Pick them because the shipping cost and the base price leave you enough room to actually grow. This platform is a powerful engine, but an engine is useless if you don't know how to drive. Check the dashboard. Learn the software. Make sure your profit per order is a real number and not just a hope. Success here is about the grind and the data. Use the tools, but keep your eyes on the margins. Stay sharp and focus on the numbers that matter.